a spell on you. Hey cutie, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a spooky season look, which will be a witch. And I'm just going to use the makeup I have already and the clothing to create the outfit of the witch that I already own. I will not be shopping for anything new. I will be using everything I already have. For my hair has just been air drying. There is nothing in it. There's no mousse. I'm going to be wearing it kind of wild today. So now I will be doing my makeup and I will be using a foundation which is very light for me. It is the lightest shade that it comes in and I think it will work nice. It worked nice for the vampire look I created not too long ago. And I will apply a thick coat to give a nice pale look. And I'm just using whatever is left on the brush, on my eyes. Very light. Set with powder. I'm using this purple pigment that I've had for quite some time. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger. I don't think I've ever used it. I've had it forever and ever. And that is really dark and I don't know if this is gonna work, but we hope for the best. Oh, it'll be fine. Apply it to the other side. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I do my best. Purple. For this look, I am going to do some dark eyebrows and I'm going to brush them. Eyebrow pencil. Blends it out with my eyebrow brush. And here is where we're at, and I will add my eyeliner. And here is the eyeliner that I've just completed. And I will do a few coats of mascara. And the other eye. And then because I do not have black lipstick, I am going to just and today, I think I am also going to add some liner on the bottom. More drama. Now I will add my darkest red. And this is where we're at right now. And this is what I've chosen for my witch dress, which is a black shiny corset style top with lace sleeves. It is a Halloween top that I bought a long time ago. I'm gonna still have. And this long velour maxi skirt. And here is where we're at right now. The dress. I have not added the accessories, and I'm going to tease my hair up, make it a little bit more wild, and then we will see what that looks like. And so I want my hair a little bit more fluffy, so I'm just gonna tease it with the brush, make it a little bit more wild, give that witchy vibe. And just a little bit of hairspray. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, I like that. I think even the color of my hair goes nicely and pops. Put a spell on you. Here is the hair from the back. And this is the jewelry I have chosen for the costume. Black pearls. Very beautiful. Classic. The rings I have chosen, red and clear. Here's a skull with a charm. And crystal and fiery red. Crystal ring, along with an owl. How's that for symbolism? And look at this ring. Gorgeous. And this one. Beautiful. And the bracelets I chose. Beautiful. And here is the completed look of the witch. I do not have the traditional hat, but I like my hair like this. I think it's fitting. I think it suits beautifully. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I think it fits a classic witch. This. I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. You can't stop the things I do. I lied. It's been 300 years. Right down to the day. Now the witch is back, and you all will pay. I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Okay, I had to do that. Thank you so much for hanging out and seeing how I completed my witchy look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for sharing, liking, and subscribing. And I hope you're having a beautiful spooky season. See ya.